Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Raquel Welch Collection's trendsetter wig, specifically the R56 style in the R829S plus glazed hazelnut color. This is a synthetic wig featuring the Memory Cap 2 construction, designed for comfort and easy maintenance, perfect if you're looking for a stylish yet low-fuss hair solution. So what's really going on with this wig? The Memory Cap 2 technology is meant to provide a flexible, lightweight fit that adapts well to your head shape, reducing pressure points, and increasing comfort during extended wear. The hair fibers use Vibralite synthetic technology, which is known for its natural shine and ability to hold style without the frizz or tangling that can come with cheaper synthetics. The cap size is average, aiming to fit most head shapes comfortably without needing custom adjustments. I gave this wig a full test run in my daily routine, wearing it throughout busy days and even during light outdoor activities. Right out of the box, it felt surprisingly soft and manageable. No weird synthetic plastic feeling here. The cap was breathable, which is a big plus because synthetic wigs can sometimes get hot or itchy, especially when worn for hours. Styling was pretty straightforward. It held the waves nicely without much effort, and the color, that glazed hazelnut, looked very natural and multi-dimensional in different lighting. A few things stood out. On the plus side, the wig is lightweight and comfortable, ideal for someone who wants to wear a wig daily without discomfort. The fiber quality is impressive, resisting tangles well and maintaining shine without looking fake. It's easy to maintain, which means less time on upkeep and more time looking fabulous. On the downside, because it's synthetic, heat styling options are limited, so if you love to change up your look with hot tools, this might be a bit restrictive. Also, the average cap size fits many, but if you have a smaller or larger head, you might need to look for adjustable or custom sizes elsewhere. Is this wig worth your investment? If you want a reliable, low-maintenance style that looks natural and feels comfortable, yes. The price reflects the quality materials and technology involved, especially the Memory Cap 2, which enhances the wearing experience. Compared to other synthetic wigs in this range, it holds up well against pricier options, but doesn't compromise on style or comfort. For those on a tighter budget, there are simpler synthetic wigs available, but they might not deliver the same level of comfort or natural look. The build quality of the cap and hair fibers means you can expect durability for regular use. Synthetic wigs like this typically last several months with proper care, and the Vibralite fibers tend to hold color and shape well over time. I haven't had to reach out to Raquel Welch's customer service myself, but the brand has a solid reputation for responsiveness and support if needed. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, the Raquel Welch Trendsetter Wig R56 offers a lovely blend of comfort, style, and ease of care. It's a great pick for everyday wearers who want something that looks natural without fuss. Just keep in mind the synthetic fiber limitations if you're a fan of heat styling or have a non-average head size. I'd recommend it especially for those new to wigs or anyone seeking a reliable, fashionable synthetic option. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find a link to this wig in the description box or comments below. If you've tried the Raquel Welch Trendsetter or any synthetic wigs from the collection, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.